Welcome to Queen of Derma Republic Extravaganza 2026.
First time to sa Derma Republic para maka-inspire ng mga tulad namin at para maging open din sa mga hindi pa kami masyadong tanggap.
So ito yung first ever may pageant sa loob ng employees ni Derma Republic. So sobrang thankful and grateful sa aming mga boss para sa ganito kabongga at glamorosang event.
Sa Dermo, hindi tayo nagdi-discriminate based on gender, no? Bakla, tomboy, straight, or kahit ano ka pa, pantay-pantay tayong lahat dito sa Dermo.
Para sa ating mga kabaklaan.
From a young age, taking my soul into the master, writing my poems for the few that look to me, took to me, shook to me.
I just want to wish everybody good luck yung mga contestants natin. And I hope everybody has a great night. Chat!
You made me a believer, believer. You break me down and build me up, believer, believer.
Thank you for everything, for support, for allowing this pageant na mangyari sa company. Kasi usually parang wala atang company na nagaganito na ganito ka-effort, napakabongga. Thank you so much po.
Last things last by the grace of the fire and the flame. You're the face of the future, the blood in my veins.
We are doing this to appreciate yung mga kabaro natin, no? Kasi tanggapin natin, hindi sa lahat ng parte ng lipunan tinatanggap tayo.
Open and rain down.